Hey folks, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the auto commenter feature at Ollie, and this is going to be a very quick guide. In order to use auto commenter, obviously this runs on top of Google Chrome, but one of the behavior of Google Chrome is that when you put a window out of focus, so let's say if I open this new window and I put this window out of focus now, everything that is happening in the background and the activity will essentially stop because it's used for saving energy and making Chrome more energy efficient. But that also means that features, or rather tools like Ollie, which want to have a safer way to auto comment and auto engage, can't work anymore because you put it out of focus. So how essentially auto commenter works right now is that if I go to LinkedIn, and this is where the auto commenter works, if I select this text and I run this, you can see this is starting a new window and this runs automatically. Now, if you drag this to a different screen that you may have on your end, then this will continue working because this will still stay in focus. But if put this in the background, it's possible that it may stop auto commenting and auto engaging. So the solution for this we found is the desktop app. Desktop app is a simple method in which, or rather that enables you to run this in the background. So if you're on Mac, just go ahead and download this, open the zip file, and then you will see that we have the Ollie DMG here, which you will need to install. For Windows, we are still working, and the availability here would be a bit buggy, but go ahead and download it for Windows. Note that for Mac, you will have to enable it in the security settings. So when you try to install it, it's going to show you that there are issues with the installation because you have not granted permission, in which case you will need to go into your privacy and allow access to this. Now, if you just want to use this as a separate window, or rather an active window here, then you don't need to install the desktop app. But if you want to run it in the background, then you will need to do it for now. So I've gone ahead and I've downloaded this, and if I open the search bar here, you can see I'm able to see Ollie. If I click here, you can see this will tell me to close all the current running Chrome windows because this is going to open a fresh window which will not stop the background activity. So let's go ahead and click yes, and this should close the window. And you can see this has opened a new window for us, and this is fresh. So now what you can do is actually open LinkedIn, and once you start running, this will not stop in the background. So right now I'm on cooldown, but once this is running, this will not stop. So you already know how to run it. What are the other things that you need in order to make this work? So one of the most important thing is to ensure that your settings are well configured for auto commenter and you have some credits in your account. So for example, you can click on settings, and in here you will see there's a new window that says set up automatic comment behavior. And in this, you can see I have some settings. So for example, right now the platform is LinkedIn, and enabled actions for feed are 1 like and 1 comment. And for these hashtags, I have 4 likes, 3 comments, 5 likes, 3 comments. In order to configure this, you need to click on update configuration, which will take you to a new page. Go ahead and click on configure for LinkedIn. And in here, you can modify your configuration. So if you want to promote your product, you can enable this. You want to use brand voice, you can enable this. If you click on edit brand voice, this is going to take you to the brand voice page where you can make the edits. So I'm going to just click on next for now. And then here you have 2 options. So you can use the best AI prompts because auto commenter is essentially going to look at all types of feed posts and hashtag posts. It's not going to be worthy to just have one same prompt that is going to run all the time. So we've created a prompt that works in a more generalized manner across all sorts of posts. So you can either select that or you can have your own custom prompt. So some of our users mentioned that they need a custom prompt, in which case you can create one here and click on the use custom prompt and then save it. So the next time when you're running, this is automatically going to take your custom prompt into consideration instead of our best AI prompts per se. So I'm going to stick to best AI prompts for now. And then in here, you will need to configure your engagement. So right now we've kept it very simple. So 10 likes and 10 comments because we don't want to overdo it until we know that this is working. You can either have, so this is the feed interactions, right? So how many interactions do you need in feed? I need 1 and let's say 1 comment. And for keywords, specific keywords, I can have, let's say in tech, go ahead and do 4 likes and 3 comments. In marketing, do 5 likes and 3 comments. When you save the configuration, this is failing somewhere right now. Let me quickly check. I'm going to do next. So the issue is here. I'm going to do 4 right now, and then I'm going to save this. So you can see the configuration is successfully saved. If you go to extension now and open the Ollie extension again, enable sync, open settings, and click on fetch configuration here. And this will fetch the new configuration for your application. So from this point, your auto commenter is set up, and all you need to do is go to LinkedIn for now, and let's say select a post and then click on auto commenter. Right now this is on cooldown, But if you click here, this is going to open a new window which is going to run auto commenter for you. Note that this does require you to have credits in your account. This requires you to have credit in your account primarily because auto commenter will communicate with DB a lot, and you will need to know which posts you've already commented on so that we don't re-comment on this. So there is a lot of interaction with your database, and which is why you will need credits in order to use auto commenter at this point of time. This was the best way we could have done this. We are trying to make it work with your local LLMs as well, and it does work with your local LLMs, but it will still consume, let's say, 1 credit in order to make that action. So you can choose to use Ollie API, or you can choose to use your own OpenAI API, but it will require you to have some credits in your account to make this work, because there is a lot of interaction that is going to happen with the background. So this is all you need to know about auto commenter right now. This is the very first version right at this point, and I'd like to thank all the beta testers who helped us out. If there are any questions, please feel free to let me know. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching this video, and have a great time engaging on social media. Thank you.